I'll be sharing with you two of the most effective ways to create scarcity on your Shopify store. So first, let's go over why you should be creating scarcity on your Shopify store. And really, overall, it's to create more sales. As when you add a sense of scarcity and urgency to your products, it's going to force people to make a decision quickly. Humans can sometimes take a while to make the decisions. They might look at different prices, compare different websites, but if you can encourage them to make the decision faster, that's going to increase your conversion rate. There's also the fact that humans don't like to miss out. They have a sense of FOMO with just about everything, and this is going to increase the desire for your product. It's why you see a lot of clothing brands or shoe companies have limited time drops. This is going to increase the demand for it, as people don't want to miss out on what is a really cool style or limited colorway. Whereas if you think about something like that that's very scarce, or you think about something such as pencils, you can get pencils or paper at any store, so you're not really going to rush to buy one if a store comes out with new pens and paper. But you'd be much more likely to go for a limited time supply drop that's only going to be available once. Now, the sense of scarcity can apply in two ways, and let's go over them now. The first one is going to be from countdown timers. So you can do this to indicate sales or limited time offers, and it's going to encourage people to actually don't miss out. People do this a lot on really popular shopping holidays such as Black Friday or Boxing Day, where you're only going to get a limited amount of time to get this really good deal, so you want to make sure you act upon it quickly. And you can really tie these countdown timers to just about anything, whether it's a New Year's sale, a Valentine's sale, an Easter sale, a summer sale, a fall sale. Stores are finding excuses all the time to make these sales, so just follow along there. Then the Shopify App Store has tons of examples and apps that make it really easy to set up countdown timers. I gathered two examples here. Now I have no affiliation with these apps, but TikTok I did set up in another video, and right now it's completely free, and it makes it really easy to set up countdown timers, and it doesn't require any coding. So you can add them to your product pages or your home pages or wherever you want, but it's going to add that sense of scarcity. Now, to note about countdown timers, I would also not recommend putting it on every single product on your site, especially if you're going for an evergreen timer, as this makes it not real. The best type of scarcity too is ones that are real and the sale will actually disappear. There's also essential countdown timer bar, so you can again add it to your product pages. They have tons of different pre-made styles, and overall these apps are very easy to set up. The second most effective way to increase scarcity on your Shopify store is to have a stock countdown, as people don't want to miss out on a limited time drop as mentioned, and we have sites such as Amazon doing this all the time. You notice that if you're ever on a product listing page, it might say there are 3 left in stock or 2 left in stock. It's going to have a progress bar showing this as well, and that's going to increase your desire that I have to get this product now or I might not be able to get it in the future. And as mentioned, humans really don't like to miss out on something, so it's going to increase that desire for picking it up now rather than waiting. So as mentioned, there are tons of different apps that do this. As an example, Hey Scarcity Low Stock Countdown makes it easy to add these countdown ones such as there are only 3 left in stock, only 1 item, hurry up. So the Shopify App Store makes this super easy to add both of these options. If you've made any sales on Shopify, you know how hard it is to keep track of how much profit your store has actually made. That's where our sponsor Profit Calc comes in, the one-click profit calculator available for your Shopify store. That's going to let you do one-click profit calculations. All you have to do is select the date range you're looking for to get real-time calculations, including all your ad spend from your various ad platforms, your cost of goods sold, your transaction fees, and much more. It's going to give you detailed analytics and metrics so you can make smarter business decisions and understand your store's true performance. You can find this app in the Shopify App Store by searching Profit Calc and looking for this logo in the top left. There's also a link in the description below to access the listing directly. It includes a 15-day free trial so you can test drive everything for yourself, so make sure you check it out. So this is going to conclude the video here on how to add scarcity to your Shopify store. We went over 2 different methods. The first one is to add a sales countdown timer. So it might have an evergreen timer or a specific date, such as the sale ends on March the 30th. There's also a stock countdown timer where you're actually denoting how much inventory is left. And both of these can help increase that sense of scarcity, which would hopefully lead to an increased conversion rate. If you enjoyed this video, I would love it so much if you smash that like and subscribe button below. That really helps the channel out. If you have any questions, leave a comment, but thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video.